we will share with you the recorded meeting in all your individual community group after the seminar. So for those who miss out, don't worry. Okay, so let's begin. I believe that in our crowd today, okay, we have existing leaders and users, okay, who have already started to build their community, some small, some big, but most importantly, I believe that most of them have already started to experience and make profit, both active and passive income from the AMAS trading platform. And for those new users, I believe that today's weekly seminar, you will find it much more rewarding as compared to the existing leaders and users, because what I'm about to share with you today, with all of you today, is something that I've already shared with them. But for existing leaders and users, do stay to the end, okay? Because today I have another special slides I want to share with you and show you, okay, just to refresh your mind a little bit again, and basically tells you and show you what sort of profit you will be able to make, and also from your investment, and also from by building your community. Okay, so before I go into our main topic of the day, I just want to firstly highlight one very important thing. What is the main? I believe that most of you, okay, especially for those new users, you might not know exactly what is our main purpose of today's weekly seminar. Okay, the main purpose of today's weekly seminar is to earn money. Okay, remember this. What we are doing right now is to earn money so that everyone can earn money and ultimately achieve your financial freedom goal. All right, I don't want anyone here to basically waste your time. I want to be able to make sure that everyone is clear our main objective of the day. Whatever I'm sharing with you, please do listen carefully. If you need to take note, do take note. But as I mentioned, it's all going to be recorded. So before we go into our main topic, firstly, for those people who don't know me personally, let me introduce and share with you a little bit of my own background, exactly what I've done in the past history all the way until this point. Okay, so basically, myself, I'm also a leader for the AMAS trading platform. I am the authorized country representative of the AMAS trading platform for the Hong Kong and Asia market. So personally, I have also built my own community. So right now, my community is growing very, very rapidly. So the past few weeks, it has only been about 800 to close to 1,000. And right now, we are talking about 1,500, and it's growing very, very fast. So for all my community members, thank you so much for your support, for those who are here today. And apart from that, I just want to share a little bit and basically share with you a little bit of my group sales. As of now, my group sales is close to $2 million already. All right, I'm very confident sooner or later, maybe by end of next month, my target is to reach $4 million. So I hope that this figure, I'm able to inspire all the new leaders here and also the existing leaders to work harder, okay? Because no pain, no gain, all right? So let's go into a little bit of my own background and my own experience, what personally I have done, okay? So personally, I've done traditional business before, but mainly for the past 8 years, I mainly focus in the financial sector. So I was working as an analyst in a brokerage firm. Mainly, I focus on 3 particular fields, okay? I trade mostly gold and all the major index around the world. You're talking about US, you're talking about Europe. For Asia, you're talking about Japan. And for, I also trade Australia, all right? And I am also a cryptocurrency investor. So why I want to highlight that personally, I am also a cryptocurrency investor, and how does that actually relate me to basically invest and basically be involved in the Forex market. All right. So this is something that I want to share with you about a little bit about my own strategy. Okay, since you guys take your time here, I want to make your time worth it. So I want to share with you a little bit of my own strategy, personally, how I can always capture the bull market in cryptocurrency. Okay, so listen carefully. Basically, most people, I'll share with you, most people, majority of the people, they normally takes out their own maybe monthly income or salary, or savings to invest into cryptocurrency. So I'm here to tell you that, yeah, I'm not saying that all people, but I'm very confident to say that majority of the people that uses this sort of strategy to invest into cryptocurrency, most of them always get stuck during the bear market. Okay, so how I basically structure my investment is during the bear market in cryptocurrency, or even during the bull market, I always still invest in the FX market. Mainly why? Is because FX market, you're talking about worldwide economy, international global economy. Okay, so you will always have a more consistent and a more stable market and less volatile as compared to cryptocurrency. So meaning that most of my time, I spend most of my investment effort in the FX market, because all the profit that I make from the FX market, only then I will divest it into cryptocurrency. All the profit that I make, I will take a portion of it and I will start collecting cryptocurrency, mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, these are the two biggest. Altcoin, XRP and all that, yes, a little bit, but mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so all the profit that I make from FX market, after I collect it, I will apportion it to buy cryptocurrency. And it doesn't really bothers me whether if it's during the bear market or even during the bull market. Okay, bull market is a time where I would definitely make money, because during the bear market, I focus most of my energy in the FX market, make profit, take out the profit, buy and collect. So this is how you are able to capture the bull market in cryptocurrency. So it's completely up to you whether if you think my strategy is relatable to you, but this is how I invest into the cryptocurrency market. It's through the FX market. So let's go into our main topic of the day. What is AMAS? AMAS essentially is an award-winning trading platform being developed, managed, and designed by a company called Martech Technology. So Martech Technology, they have already been on the market, financial sector for the past 14 years already. Okay, so what exactly does Martech Technology do? Mainly three business. Number one, they do trading, meaning that they have their own expert in-house professional traders, that trade for them on the equity market, FX market, and also cryptocurrency market. Number two, which is the key selling point and the key strength of the AMAS trading platform, they are what we call a liquidity provider. So what is a liquidity provider? In simple terms, liquidity provider in the financial sector, we call them a market maker. If you don't understand what market maker is, they are also what we call a middleman. All right. Essentially, for any market, you talk about equity market, you talk about the FX market, you talk about even the cryptocurrency market, all the market requires liquidity provider. So the word liquidity in the liquidity provider basically just means money. Okay. What is the liquidity provider? Essentially, they are a big institution, well-established company, of course, with a very, very strong asset and also money to be able to essentially provide money on the market for any transaction to happen. Okay. If you look in the hierarchy of the FX market, essentially you have retail trader, which is you and me. All right, normal trader, regardless of if you are a professional or if you are an experienced trader, we sit at the bottom of the pyramid. Number two, on top of the retail trader, you have what we call a broker. I believe that most of you here know what is a broker. Okay, broker brokerage. Okay, they are broker. Essentially, if you want to trade on the FX market, you have to open an account with a broker, and you can deposit and you can withdraw from them. Okay. Then on top of the broker is what we call a liquidity provider. Okay. So when you register an account with a broker, and then when you basically trade, okay, that is what we call a transaction. The broker will pass most of the transaction to the liquidity provider. Okay, so meaning that the liquidity provider is top on the hierarchy. Number three, and last but not least, they have their own in-house IT technical team. That basically full stack developers, you're talking about programmers. So in the context of AMAS is being developed in-house by their own technical team. So of course, AMAS technical team or software developers, they also have a lot of different capabilities, but mainly they focus in financial sector. So you're talking about AI tools, okay? You're talking about all the other sort of software you can think of that is related to the financial industry. So, but what is the main key point that I want to highlight to you, that having their own in-house technical team is that you are assured that in the event, if there is any problem with the AMAS trading platform, problem can be solved swiftly. Okay, this is also one of the key strengths that makes AMAS stands out from the other trading platform out there. So apart from that, compliance, licensing in the financial industry or trading platform is one of the things that I believe most people are concerned of. Okay, but for the case of AMAS trading platform, they are fully licensed, regulated, and fully compliant with the United States government. So in total, there is 3 licenses that they have gotten. But the most important license here that I want to share with you is the SEC license. And what does SEC stands for is basically the United States Security and Exchanges Commission. All right, they are the main regulatory body that basically examine any trading platform out there, whether if they basically follow all the necessary criteria. Okay, and for any trading platform to get this license itself is already a statement telling you that they have already been approved, certified, and most importantly, examined by the SEC of the SEC. Okay. So now, AMAS trading platform, as I mentioned earlier on, they are an award-winning trading platform. So what award they actually received? They received an award called the Cyprus Award for the Best Trading Platform 2022. So this is also one of the key points that I want to highlight to you and basically tell you is that to get this Cyprus Award in the financial industry, they are one of the most prestigious award that you're able to get. So meaning that you have one of the key thing, one of the most important thing is you have to be a legit trading platform. Otherwise, you can't even be nominated and even shortlisted to get this award. So now you can understand the company background and basically all the licenses and what the AMAS trading platform basically background is. Let's go into the product available on the AMAS trading platform. Because personally, as a marketer and as a leader, okay, once you're done looking at all this, the next question is, what sort of product is available on the trading platform? Is it attractive enough for me to actually market it or recommend people to invest their money into the trading platform? So on the AMAS trading platform, in total, there is 4 types of product. Number 1, self-trading. As I mentioned, it's a trading platform. So like any other trading platform, you will be able to do self-trading on the AMAS trading platform. Number 2, binary options. Binary options, if you're a high-risk taker, okay, or maybe if you allow me to use the word, if you are a gambler, okay, then you may go for binary options, because binary option essentially is a short-term trading. I consider it a short-term. All right, the time frame is between 30 seconds to 10 minutes. It's pretty short. Okay, so it's either you buy the price to go up or you buy the price to go down within that time frame. Number 3, copy trading. I believe that most of you here know what is copy trading, and you heard of copy trading before. So copy trading essentially is you basically let professional traders trade for you. And for the case of AMAX trading platform, they have 8 copy traders in total for you to follow. And all these 8 copy traders are properly filtered before they are even allowed to list on the AMAX trading platform. So users here today, all right, for the copy trading, you are assured, okay, that the copy traders that you basically select or choose on the AMAX trading platform, they are already being filtered properly by the trading platform. So on the AMAX trading platform, copy trading, they have all the copy traders, they have an average winning rate of 90%. So what does that mean? Meaning that, okay, if today you invest $1,000, if today they invest 10 times, okay, 9 out of 10 times are all winning trades. They will only lose 1 time. And apart from that, they have a winning rate of, they have a profit percentage of about 20% per month. So what does that convert it into week and also month? Okay, so if today you invest $1,000 in a week time, you're talking about $40 to $50. So in a month, you're talking about $160, $200. And consistency is the key when it comes to any trading or any investment. So this is the copy trading, okay? 90% average winning rate and 16 to 20% profit percentage per month. So now, let's go into the main product that I want to introduce to you all. And I will highly recommend you to basically focus onto this product, because that's what I do. I only invest into liquidity pool, okay? The main product that I want to recommend all of you today and introduce all of you here today is the liquidity pool product, okay? Because essentially, I'll just put it as simple as possible. When you invest into the liquidity pool product on the AMAX trading platform, you are essentially given an opportunity to become a liquidity provider yourself with your money. So as I mentioned earlier on in the hierarchy, you sit at the top of the pyramid. So why would you want to basically sit at the bottom and be a retail trader? You want to become a liquidity provider, okay? Because you always know that only the top tier people earns the most money. So now, what exactly is a liquidity pool? All right. Essentially, a liquidity pool, how it's being functioned is that you can sort of relate it to a hybrid of fixed deposit and unit trust. So on the AMAX trading platform, in total, there is 6 liquidity pool that you will be able to invest into, to choose from, and each focus into a different market. All right, I'll give you an example. So today, if you invest into the Pound 2 pool, which is one of my favorite pool right now, because they have a highest 48% profit that you'll be able to make, okay? It's a range. 15 to 48% is your earning potential, highest being 48%. So when you invest, for example, into the Pound 2 pool, you have exposure to the entire United Kingdom market, all right? The stock market, FTSE 100. You have exposure into the government bonds, government's treasury bonds, and even basically all bonds that is related to the United Kingdom equity market, and even the Forex market. So you have a bigger and a wider exposure to a more, basically more market. So your risk is basically being scattered around into different markets, okay? Normal investment, you're only focused into one particular market. So if that one particular market doesn't work out, then you're basically stuck, okay? But if you are able to divest your investment into different field and different part of basically into a wide variety, then your risk will be lower because you basically spread your risk and you don't put all your eggs into one basket. So this is one of the beauty of a liquidity pool investment. And so now, what exactly and how exactly does a liquidity pool actually operates? So essentially, as I mentioned just now, broker will take out all the transactions from the market, and then they will basically pass most of the transaction to a liquidity provider. Okay, so meaning that, and you know that on the FX market, it's an international market. International market daily transaction is not just few hundred or few thousand. Okay, if you want me to basically say in a very conservative way, few 100,000. But realistically, you're talking about few million transactions per day, and that is already being conservative. It's not just per day, few million transactions per minute, per hour, per second. So for the AMS trading platform, how they basically manage the liquidity pool is they have to use a highly sophisticated technology that is able to take out all the transaction. Basically, the technology and the software that they use, they're able to take out 10 million transactions per second. Number two, liquidity pool is trade on live market. Okay, so meaning that if they want to trade on live market, they need to be able to have the real life market data. So when you talk about real life market data, you're always talking about latency. So what exactly is latency? Latency essentially just means whether if it's laggy, okay, whether if it's lag. So meaning that they also use a very, very highly reliable software that is basically that's basically able to provide them with a very low latency of the real life market data. And having all this also requires expert to monitor it 24 hours because the FX market runs 24 hours, okay, 5 days a week, all right, only during the weekday. Weekend on the FX market is always what we call payday, all right, money day. So on the AMS trading platform, I will highly suggest you that you invest into a liquidity pool, but not just because of the high profitability and the consistency that is able to generate. There is also another key point, which I will be sharing in a while, is that when you invest into the liquidity pool, you're not only able to earn passive income from your investment, you are also able to earn active income if you are a leader and a networker. And this is something that I encourage every one of you here to do, because if you are able to earn the active income through the incentive bonus that the AMS trading platform actually gives you, then you will be able to earn a lot of money. Later, I'll show you a few examples. Then you can see what sort of earning potential we are talking about. So, as you can see, after recommending you all the products available on the AMS trading platform, you are able to see why, as a marketer and a leader, I find the trading platform product attractive. Mainly because it covers a wide spectrum of customer base. You're talking about beginner, okay? You're talking about newbie, experienced trader, all right? Professional trader, investment banker, hedge fund manager, all right? They can all invest and involve into the trading platform, all right? Hedge fund manager, investment banker, liquidity pool will be a fantastic product for them to invest into because their fund size can be very big, all right? And today, if you are a professional and experienced trader, okay, you can invest, you can do self trading or binary option, okay? And if today you are just a passive investor, you can just focus into the liquidity pool and the copy trading. So you can see it covers a wide spectrum of customer base, from whether if you are young, you are old, you are experienced, you are a beginner, okay, no problem. You are able to earn money from the AMAS trading platform. So apart from that, what actually makes the AMAS trading platform different as compared to all the other trading platforms currently on the market? Number one, as I have already shared with you, they are what we call an all-in-one trading platform. Most trading platforms out there, they only focus on one specific product, and that basically limits you as a leader and as a networker to be able to market it. Okay, the market that you'll be able to promote it is quite limited as compared to AMAS trading platform, right? Just imagine, let's say a trading platform that only does binary option. All right, I personally believe that the binary option market is pretty small. Not everyone is a high risk taker. Most people, I believe that they are an investor that wants a consistent return from their investment without basically going through the effort to do chart analysis or basically study the market, have to read the news every single day and wait for the US Federal Reserve to basically the chairman of the Federal Reserve to basically announce whether this month they're going to increase the inflation rate or they're going to slow down the inflation rate, you know, whether his tone is hawkish or whether his tone is dovish, okay? All this will affect the market. So not everyone have the effort and time to basically go through all the problem and all this hassle to invest into the FX market. So number two, on the AMAS trading platform, they have very well developed incentive bonus that is able to reward leaders and networkers to build a community on the AMAS trading platform. And you may ask me, why does the trading platform want to come out with an incentive bonus? All right. So conventionally, most trading platform gives out incentive bonus, but most of them only gives out to one tier. Okay, meaning one tier, that's it. But on the AMAS trading platform, if you are a top networker and a top leader with a wide range of connection, you are able to get up to 20 tiers. Yes, you heard me right. 20 tiers, my friend. So now the next question is, you will ask me, why do they want to give out community bonus up to 20 tiers? My question to you is, what is the most important thing for a trading platform? Users. High traffic volume into the trading platform. So that is the main reason why they created this business model or this incentive bonus to reward top leaders and also to attract top leaders that is able to bring in quality investor into the trading platform. So, and apart from that, why building a community, having a high user and high volume into the trading platform is very important, is also because for all their future products launching. So imagine if today you are a big company, you have a few more products in the pipeline. So today you have already have an established community, your existing customer base, existing fan. It will be very, very easy for you to release or roll out all your future product because you already have an existing customer base that is already ready and already trusted you to basically invest into your product again. So all this is what we call an ecosystem, a sustainable ecosystem that can continuously help your customer to generate profit in the ever-changing investment market. Okay, because investment market always change from years to years, behavior change. So product will also change. Oh, most importantly, as you can see, that they have a very well thought out vision for the entire community. So now, since you can understand and basically I've shared with you all this, let's go into the incentive bonus that the trading platform actually gives you as a leader on the AMS trading platform. Okay, guys, let's go right into it. This is the part where I want all of you to focus. Okay, this is the most important part. If you want to be able to earn 6-digit or even 5-digit or even millions from the trading platform through the incentive bonus, I cannot highlight enough how important this part is. Basically the most important part that I want all of you to listen carefully. So self-trading, they have their own incentive bonus is basically essentially based on 80% of the commission. So when traders trade on the trading platform, one of the ways how the trading platform earns money is they will charge a small percentage of commission fees for traders to trade on the trading platform, which is less than 1%. Okay, so the bonus that you're talking about is if someone invested $100, okay, the commission fees that the platform charge is less than 1%, so it's, let's say, 80 cents. Okay, so it's not really, I mean, it's attractive, but it's not as attractive as what I want to share with you later. Okay, so that is basically self-trading. Number two, binary option. Binary option is around the same. Okay, on the AMS trading platform, if you want to trade binary options, you will have to buy an insurance. Okay, and what is the main thing that when you buy the insurance is that your capital will be 100% protected. So the incentive bonus will be based on that insurance that you buy. Okay, all right. Now, copy trading and liquidity pool product, they share the same incentive structure. So this is the part where I want you guys to listen carefully, because this is the part where you can earn the most. So on the AMS trading platform, in total, there is 4 types of bonuses that you will be able to get. Okay, and these 4 bonus is the 4 main bonus if you really want to earn money. So this is the 4 main bonus that you want to grab it. Okay, you want to take it, you want to be able to basically monetize it from these 4 bonuses. And before you can understand the bonus structure, I just want to introduce you to their ranking system. On the AMS trading platform, they have a ranking system. You must remember, and the bonus percentage will be based on your rank. So it's very important that you are able to climb up the rank as high as possible. Okay, and why they need to have this ranking system is to basically categorize top leaders to average leader. Okay, and this is to assure fair playing ground for all the leaders. Okay, you just imagine if today they don't have a ranking system. All right, I'll give an example here. Okay, let's say Dexter is a top leader. Okay, huge community with huge the group sales is million. Okay, I'll just say 4-5 million. I am an average leader. Okay, my group sales is only few $1,000s. So imagine today, if there is no ranking system to categorize or differentiate me with Dexter, how would Dexter feel if you are getting paid the same? Dexter will definitely feel like, shit, Tony is just an average leader. I bring in so much sales to the platform, the company, but we are getting paid the same. So basically, no top leaders will find this business proposal attractive. So they will not come in. So on the AMS trading platform, this is why they establish and create a ranking system, is to reward fairly and accordingly to your result. So it's a result-based system. So it's very important that only a result-based system is fair and square. All right, remember this. So on the AMAS trading platform, there is 8 ranks in total, from your promoter, which is the lowest, to your ambassador. So of course, ambassador is the goal. Okay, it's my goal. Currently, I'm a consultant level already. Okay, I want to make sure by these few months, hopefully by the end of the month, okay, I will become an ambassador level. So on the ranking system, there is 3 criteria you must take note. You must pay attention. Personal investment, your recruitment, and last but not least, your group sales. Group sales here, I will say, is one of the most important things, because group sales essentially tells the company and tells everyone whether if you are a performer or if you're just an average networker. All right. So, bonus number 1, recruitment bonus. As you can see on the screen, each rank will have a different percentage. So the higher you climb, the higher the percentage is. Recruitment bonus is an instant bonus. All right, what does it mean by instant? So today, I'm under Dexter. And Dexter is an ambassador level. I invested $1,000. Because he's an ambassador, he gets 12%. Meaning 12% of $1,000 is $120 instant. Ching, going to Dexter's e-wallet on the AMAS trading platform. And imagine Dexter have 10 of me. 10 direct referrals. He straight away get 1,200 into his e-wallet, and he can withdraw anytime. Okay, I can deposit today, invest into the liquidity pool. He straight away get $120, and 10 of us, all of us did it on the same time, get 1,200, okay, into his e-wallet. He can straight away withdraw. Okay, he don't have to wait until the weekend. He can withdraw anytime, anytime, any day he wants. Okay, this is recruitment bonus, instant. Now, this is the main bonus that I want all of you to focus on, especially for those aspired leaders. Okay, community bonus. And on the AMAS trading platform, one of the key difference that has compared them to all the other trading platform out there is that you are able to get up to 20 tiers of community bonus. And from this chart, you can also see that why it's very important that you need to climb up the rank. Because the higher rank you climb, the more tier you will be able to collect or basically get community bonus from. So if you want to be a strong leader, you want to be a top leader, okay, of course you want to get all 20 tiers, right? If you just want to be an average leader, then okay, right? You can just become a leader or manager or an executive if you are happy with that. But if you want to be a top leader and earn millions of dollars, ambassador level, able to get 20 tiers is what you should aim for. Okay, later I'll show you a calculation breakdown on how you are able to get, and I can show you the number that you what sort of number you will be expecting. Okay, all right, so I'll just show you an example from the business model that given by the AMAS training platform. Later I will show you my own calculation for my my own community in Hong Kong. So just very quickly going through. So the example here, okay, is an ambassador rank. He's an ambassador rank leader, okay? And this example is based on only $1,000, okay? Only $1,000 investment. Assume that all of his community members invest only $1,000. So as you can see, first tier, the ambassador leader, he got 10 users, okay? All of them make a weekly profit of $330. And first year, they are able to get 35%, so it's 1,155. Second tier, he got 20. Third tier, he has 40. Fourth to fifth tier, he has 80. And you can see that it's multiplied by 2 only. So what does that tells you is that to build a community, to basically increase and build a big community on the AMS trading platform is super, super easy. Okay, each user only needs to recommend or refer 2 people to join and invest. Okay, you can already multiply into few thousand members into your community. All right, I don't want you to basically feel like, wow, it's very difficult to reach few thousand members in my community. All right, take that out from your brain, throw it into the rubbish bin. Okay, you only need each member to recommend 2. Okay, I believe that to only recommend each to refer 2 people is super easy. It's not hard. Okay, I'm sure they definitely have more than 2 friends, right? Each people in your life. Don't tell me that you only have 2 friends. You have more than 2 friends. Okay, and you also have family members. Okay, friends, family members, cousins. Okay, or your co-worker. All right, it's very easy for you to find 2 people only. Okay, each find 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. You can grow up to 1,000 or even more. Super easy. Okay, so you can see that in total, in a month, he's able to earn 36,000 US dollars. Okay, this is a very conservative calculation that the trading platform shows you. Later, I will show you a slightly much more realistic number. If you can become an ambassador rank already, you're talking more than this. Okay, I would say my calculation is still conservative, but it's less conservative as compared to this one. Number 3, you have a ranking bonus. So one of the ranking bonus, okay, ranking bonus is when you climb out the rank, the trading platform gives you an extra incentive for you when you climb out the rank. Okay, so based on your rank, of course, the higher rank you go, you'll be able to get a bigger percentage. And last but not least is what we call an alignment bonus. Alignment bonus is also something extra. So alignment bonus and ranking bonus is more towards the end when you have a much more mature community group. Okay, and what I mean by that is that, okay, I'll give you an example. Alignment bonus is more means that, okay, when one of your direct referral, assume that you have 10, okay, you are an ambassador rank already, and assume 1 or 2 of them becomes the same rank as you. Okay, they become an ambassador as well. So you, as an ambassador, the company gives you an extra bonus. Okay, so basically you can see that as you yourself grow your community member will also start to grow their own community. Okay, imagine you grow your community times 2 each. Okay, and all your community member also start to grow their own community. Okay, times 2 times 2, and then you are also times 2 times 2, right? Few thousand, very, very easily. All right, so basically I've gone through the business model with you. Now I will show you my own calculation to basically simplify it for you. Okay, if whatever I share with you now, you find it very confusing, okay, it's okay. I will show you an example and I'll show you how simple it is to earn incentive bonus from the AMS trading platform. All right, guys. So I always tell my community, to earn incentive bonus from the AMAS trading platform, you only need to do 3 simple steps. It's as easy as this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Just execute these 3 steps and you can already start to enjoy making bonus from the AMAS trading platform. Step number 1, you yourself invest into a liquidity pool or a copy trading, any one of them. Okay. Step number 2, once you have done step number 1, okay, when you refer people to invest into liquidity pool or copy trading, step number 3, start earning incentive bonus. It's that simple. Okay. Is it simple? I believe that is super simple. Only 3 steps. Remember this. Okay. If you are a leader, you want to guide your community member to earn incentive bonus, start earning incentive bonus, just share these 3 steps with them. Invest into a liquidity pool yourself. Once you invest into a liquidity pool or copy trading, when you refer people, you will get rewarded with the bonus. Okay. So it's as easy as these 3 simple steps. So now, let's go into an example. Okay. I'll show you 2 scenarios. One, a small leader, and one, a big leader. All right. In this example, I'm showing you a manager rank. Okay. Manager rank is promoter, leader, manager. Is a third rank. Okay. Third lowest rank. You can see beside here, I've stated the requirements. In order for you to become a manager rank, number 1, your personal investment amount needs to be at least $1,000. Okay. Number 2, your recruitment, you have already recruited 3 leaders. Okay. And number 3 is your total group sales needs to be $30,000. All right. So let's look at the calculation. In this scenario, I use a Forex Pound 2 pool as an example. Forex Pound 2 pool has an average profit return of 15 to 48%. So as you can see in this example, because he's a manager, so meaning that minimum he has to invest into $1,000. And I assume that his profit in a month is 45%. Okay. So the total profit that he will be able to generate per week is $90 if he invests into the Forex Pound 2 pool, $1,000, and assume that the profit is 45% in a month. Okay, in a month. So you're talking about per week $90 profit, and per month you're talking about $360 as your passive investment income. Okay, so this is basically if you are only a passive investor, if you only want to invest into the liquidity pool and you don't want to build your own team, you only get $360. But I mean, that is good. You know, you're talking about 45% of profit margin, okay, from the trading platform. That is good. But if you are not satisfied with this amount, then you have to basically refer and build your own community. Because would you rather earn $360 a month, or would you rather earn $3,702 per month? That is up to you. I would rather earn the 3,000 if I were you. So, all right, as you can see in this example, I've listed down the bonus that you'll be able to get. Number 1, recruitment bonus. Okay, in this example, in my example for this calculation, I assume that all the users invested $1,000 as well. Okay, so recruitment bonus, assume that your first tier, your direct referral, you have 10 users, all of them decide to follow you and invest $1,000 into the Pound 2 liquidity pool. Okay, As a manager rank, you will get 7%. So you get $700 instantly. Okay, so as you can see, you invested $1,000. In a month time, you already get $360. Okay, and because you are a leader, you also recruit people, and all of them also invested the same amount as you. Just from the recruitment bonus itself, you already get $700. What does that tell you? In a month time, you have already break even. You have already gotten back your capital. Okay, I haven't even go into the community bonus yet. Okay, so number 2, as you can see, community bonus. As a manager rank, you'll be able to get community bonus up to 3 tiers. Okay, assume that first tier you have 10 users. Okay, tier number 2 you have 20 users. Okay, times 2. Tier 3 you have 40 users. Okay, and assume that all of them get the same amount of return as you. Okay, first tier you'll be able to get 20%. Tier 2 you'll be able to get 10%, and tier 3 you'll be able to get 8%. Okay, so $180, $180, 288. So as you can see, total per week community bonus you'll be able to get $648. In the month, you'll be getting $2,592. Okay, you can see your return of investment is way more. You already cover it in a month. Okay, you already make more than what you invested. Okay, in fact, your return percentage is 100%, meaning that I invest $1,000 today, I'm getting back $1,000. Okay, or more. Okay, so that is more than 100% of return. Number 3, ranking bonus. Okay, because you climb out the rank, as I mentioned, you climb out the rank, you will get an extra bonus. Okay, because you're a manager rank, you will get 7%. So per week, you get about $12.60. So in a month, you get about $50.40. So total in a month, you get $3,700. Guys, your investment covers easily within a month if you are able to become and build your own community. Okay, so that's why I keep on telling you it's very, very important to build your community, From this example, you can clearly see why if you want to truly earn a lot of money, okay, just by passive investment itself is not enough. It's enough, yes, if you are satisfied with that amount of money. Yes, $360 helps a lot of people. Okay, maybe you can pay your car loan, maybe you can pay your housing loan. All right, but personally, I want more than that. So that's why I built my community. I built active income. $3,700 only makes a difference in your life. Okay, so this is scenario number 1. Now, let's go into when you become an ambassador rank. Okay, ambassador rank, the top rank on the AMAS trading platform. You need a personal investment of $10,000. Your recruitment, you need to have recruited 2 consultants under you, and your total group sales needs to be $3 million. Okay, trust me, to hit $3 million is not hard. As long as your community is able to multiply by 2 every single day. Okay, as long as you're able to do that, $3 million is nothing. Okay, so I use the same scenario, same investment pool, which is the pound 2 pool. You invested $10,000 yourself as well. I assume that the profit percentage is 45%. Okay, your total profit per week is about $900. Your per month profit is around $3,600. Okay, now as you can see, recruitment bonus. I assume that your first tier direct referral, all of them also follow you. All right. They want to be like you. All of them invested $10,000 as well. Okay. Because you're an ambassador rank, the highest rank, you are entitled a 12% recruitment bonus. Okay. So imagine the same scenario. You have 10 users. You are able to get $12,000 instantly. You have already covered your invested amount, right? So you'll be thinking, wow, investing $10,000 is a lot. But I'm here to tell you that as long as you're able to refer people, you can earn back. If you're damn good, okay, you can earn back within 1-2 days. Easy. You don't have to wait until end of the month. You have already gotten back your money. Okay. But most importantly is you need to climb up the rank. As long as you climb up the rank, don't look at the invested amount that you put in. Okay. Think of how you are able to make back the money fast. Okay. If you want to earn money, okay, you don't think about how you don't think about, damn, it's a lot. Okay. When you invest money, you think about how you are able to get back the money fast. Okay. So as you can see, just based on the recruitment bonus itself, you have already started to make profit, okay, from your own investment amount. So number two, the same, we look at the community bonus. Okay, one thing that do take note in my example here, only tier 1, I assume that all of them invested $10,000. Tier 2 to tier 20, I assume that all of them only invested $5,000. Okay, the example just now from the company business model, they assume that a flat $1,000. Okay, but my example, I show you something slightly more realistic, because in the market, if you want to become an ambassador level, it's impossible that all of them only invest $1,000, because you need to hit a $3 million group sales. Okay, so some will be less, some will be more. But for the sake of example, I just basically set a 10,000 and a 5,000 investment amount. Okay, tier 1, okay, 10,000, you have 10 users, you are able to get 35%. So that's 2,520. All right. Subsequently, tier 2, you have 20 users, okay, 25%. Tier 3, you get 10%. Tier 4 to tier 5, you get 5%. Tier 6 to tier 9, you get 3, 2, 1. Okay. So in total, per week, you get $13,536. So you can see, just in a week time, okay, if you are only a passive investor, if you only invest into the product and you are waiting to get the profit every week and every month, okay, it's attractive because it's consistent. Or would you rather go for something even bigger? Okay, something even that you'll be able to recoup your investment amount fast. Okay, so the fastest you recoup your investment capital, all right, all these are already profit. Your risks are essentially zero already. As long as you get back your capital, okay, your risk is already zero, right? So in a month, community bonus, you get $54,000. And ranking bonus, okay, ranking bonus you're only able to get from your first tier, okay, 30% because you are an ambassador rank. So per week, you get about $540 extra. Okay, as I mentioned earlier on, ranking bonus is an extra bonus that you get as you climb up your rank. And total per month, you get an extra $2,160. So as you can see, bottom here, total bonus per month you will be able to get is 71,904. You invest 10,000. By the end of the month, you get 71,000. Would you prefer to just only get 3,600, or would you prefer to get 71,900? I will go for this. So I always tell people, I always encourage people to build their own community. This is the main reason. Because if you are only aiming for that investment return, it will take you some time. Okay? Would you rather take one month to earn money to get back whatever you invest, or would you rather take 3 to 4 months to get back your investment? For me, I will prefer to choose 1 month. All right. So I've done sharing with you the example on the bonus that you'll be able to earn from the AMAS training platform. Okay. And that basically ends our sharing session today. But before I end my sharing session, I just want to do a very simple and quick summary with you all. Why AMAS? Okay. Number one, the company background is very strong. Okay. And they are compliant and regulated by the most powerful government in the world. Okay. Through their SEC license, that has already basically shown me and tells me that they are legit. Number two, the product range covers a wide spectrum of customers. I'm able to promote it to everyone. Okay. And that is how I'm able to build my community fast. Okay. Only if you're able to cover a wide range of customer, you are able to build the community fast. Okay. And with their business model, the incentive bonus is very well structured. Okay. It works hand in hand with their product, because an attractive, interesting product, I'm able to utilize the incentive bonus structure well. It works together well. All right. So basically, this is the main reason why I choose the AMAS training platform, because the earning potential is there. Would you rather earn a lot of money in a year time, or would you rather use only 3 months time to earn what you are able to earn in a year? I would rather choose 3 months. So I hope all of you take note, okay, what I've shared with you all today. And I promise you, as I always tell people this, okay, I always tell people this, as during the end of my presentation, I always tell people, if you are able to execute what I share with you today, you will be able to earn money. Thank you very much. Okay, that is end of our sharing session. So right now we will do a quick Q&A session. All right. For those who have any question, you may raise up your hand. Okay. Use the emoji raise hand. Okay. Then we will unmute you. Okay. Or if you are too shy to speak out, it's okay. Write in the chat box. Okay. I will answer your question one by one. And for those, if you have no question, no worries. As I mentioned, our weekly seminar, we have a recording. So we will share into all the community group with everyone. Okay. So I think Iranius has already posted a question. Let me see. We already have a question. Let's see. Okay. All right. So let's go through one by one. Okay. So Amaze, what is the vision and mission statement of AMAS? How long has AMAS operated? When will you come to Ghana? I believe you will be able to get more investor. Okay. Vision and mission is very straightforward. Whatever I share with you today. Okay. Inside, I have already shared with you what is the vision and what is the mission. From their business model, from their incentive bonus, you can already see the mission is to empower and enrich all the top leaders and investors when they come to the AMAS trading platform. Okay, and how long has AMAS operated? AMAS has been operating for 2 years. Okay, and from the license, you'll be able to see, okay, they have been basically registered. Basically, they have been approved by the SEC to operate for the past 2 years already. Okay, and why only 2 years is because actually the product they have already been developing for quite some time already. But to get all these SEC license, number one, it takes a bit of time too, and it's very expensive. It's very tedious to go through all the process. Okay, so only when the market is right, okay, which is now, because crypto market has been in the downturn. Okay, and nowadays, as compared to, I tell you, not 2 years ago, okay, just only 2 years ago, FX market today is 5 years ago as compared to just 2 years ago, the market is way more mature today. There are way more users on the FX market. And when will you come to Ghana? Okay. I hope that I can come to Ghana one day. Of course, ultimately, when your community start to grow and all that, yeah, of course, then I will definitely try my best to come to Ghana and then, of course, meet all of you. How to switch from copy trading to pool product? Okay, so the total investment, okay, that you are basically the criteria for your ranking, right? There's personal investment, recruitment, and group sales. So if you invest into, let's say, okay, I'll give you an example. Let's say you want to be a manager level. So you want to hit your first criteria, which is your first personal investment. Okay, Mark Raymond. Okay, listen carefully. I'm answering your. I'm sharing the question right now. Okay, so assume that you want to hit the first criteria to become a manager. Okay, $1,000. So you can invest $500 into copy trading and $500 into liquidity pool. Okay, it doesn't matter as long as two of them adds up becomes $1,000. Then you are fine. Okay, so for copy trading, okay, if you want to wait, if you want to switch, copy trading also have a term period. Okay, a money making period when you subscribe to it. Okay, so if you decide to withdraw it, okay, no problem, but there will be a small percentage of penalty charge. So 2 ways I will suggest you. Number one, you wait until the term is done. Okay, only then you transfer the money and move it to liquidity pool. Or if you don't want to wait, okay, then you just let that run. Okay, and then you just invest more money into the liquidity pool. That's it. Okay. This question is from Iranians. It takes close to 4 hours to get the recruitment bonus reflecting in my wallet. May I know why? To build member confidence, it must be instant. That is within 5 minutes. Okay. AMAS, okay, is international, is a very big trading platform, number one. And sometimes, okay, when it comes to any trading platform, okay, when the transaction or the volume, when it's too high, okay, the system also needs time, sometime to reflect or to basically get to process all these bonuses. But rest assured that yes, sometimes it might take a bit of time, okay, but it will always be in your wallet. You will always receive it. Okay. Sometimes when the volume is high, okay, when it comes to any system, it's always unavoidable, Iranians. And I apologize if you so far, if sometimes the recruitment bonus takes a bit of time, but I can assure you that the system always try to be as fast as possible already. But sometimes it's very hard to gauge the volume. Okay, I hope that answers your question, Iranians. Okay, Mark Raymond, in switching from the copy trade to the pool, do you lose money? Okay, let me be clear one last time. when you invest into the copy trading, there will be a contract period. Okay, so if you decide to take out the money and move it to a liquidity pool, then yes, there will be a penalty charge because you basically take out the money before the contract ends. Okay, so as I mentioned, I already give you two solutions. Number one, it's either you wait until the contract ends, only then you transfer it to reinvest it into a liquidity pool, or you invest, you take out, you deposit extra money and put it into a liquidity pool. Okay, because for me personally, I won't want to incur any charges or any penalty charges. Okay. How do you actually terminate the copy trading to liquidity pool? Okay, Yeshua, this is the same question as Mark Raymond asked. Okay, I've already explained. Okay, you want to terminate, no problem. Okay, if you terminate before the contract ends, then there will be a penalty fees. So if you already subscribe into a copy trading, okay, it's either you wait for it to run out, okay, and the time ends, only then you transfer, or you deposit more money and invest into a liquidity pool again. Because honestly speaking, like I say, I won't want to incur any penalty charges. What's the difference between liquidity pool trading and copy trading in terms of profit gain? All right, Mark Raymond, good question. Maybe you're joining late just now, okay? On the copy trading, the highest you'll be able to get is around 20 to 21%, if I'm not mistaken. For liquidity pool, if you invest into the pound 2 pool, you will be able to get as high as 48%, double of copy as compared to copy trading. Okay, I hope that answers your question. All right, Iranius, I'm happy that I'm able to answer your question. Yeah. So how is the transfer done? Okay. So Mark Raymond, you are able to basically go to your account. Okay. Let me just check now, okay? Because I personally, I don't invest into the copy trading, so I've never done the transfer before, very honestly, okay? Okay, now I don't want to waste everyone's time, okay? So, Mark Raymond, we will share with you the tutorial video. After this meeting, you can look for me personally, you can text me, or you can look for my community assistant, Peter, okay? We will share with you the tutorial video. You will be able to learn it yourself and see clearly how you are able to do it on the trading platform, okay? The question is, how do we do that in system by converting from copy trading to liquidity pool? Okay, so I think it's very straightforward. Let's say you decide to terminate your copy trading. Okay, so once you terminate your copy trading, then you just transfer the money, the withdrawal, what do you call that? The trading point or the money into your wallet. Okay, and then from your wallet, okay, you basically convert to investment point, and then you just invest into the liquidity pool. All right. But as I mentioned, don't worry if I don't explain it well enough here. We have tutorial video to show it to you. Okay, we are able to. You can ask my community assistant again how you are able to do it, or you can always look for their customer service. They are able to guide you as well. Okay. Any more questions, guys? Oh, Crypto Master, raise hand. All right. Hi, brother.
Yeah, hello, that's that.
Hi.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening
Okay,
to you.
I just want to. Okay, I just want to stress on something. A few people are asking of the copy trading, and I think you did do some explanation on it. Seriously, I think you all have to invest in the liquidity pool, because as presented by Dexter, the liquidity pool provide a high profit. So if you have a package that will provide high profit for you, high returns for you, then why do you have to go and invest in the copy trading? So this is my suggestion. I think we will have to invest in the copy trading. So that is that. Thank you.
Thank you, Crypto Master. So basically what Crypto Master over here is telling you that if you invest into the liquidity pool only, then you will not face the problem of needing to convert or transfer from the copy trading. Okay, so that's essentially what our brother over here means. Okay, thank you very much, Crypto Master. All right, guys, any more question for me? Okay. Since right now, there is no more question. Okay, don't worry. For new members here, or maybe even for existing members, maybe there are certain information you takes time to digest. Okay, don't worry. As I mentioned already, there will be a recorded version of our today's seminar. We will share it to all the individual community group. So whoever miss out, or your new friends that you want to recommend to join to the AMAS trading platform, you can share it with them, okay? And they can basically look through the watch through the recorded weekly seminar today, okay? And for those of you, if you have any more questions, you may always ask in our community group, okay? Anytime. We will try to answer it as fast as possible. Okay? So, I just want to say thank you all. Thank you so much for taking out your time to attend our weekly seminar. I hope you find today's seminar fruitful and informative. Okay? And most importantly, I hope to see all of you kickstart, okay, as soon as possible, to kickstart and start to earn money together, because that is my main purpose here today with all of you. I want everyone to earn money. Okay, so all of you have a good week. Okay, have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys again next week. Okay, next week, please continue to bring in more and more people to join our weekly seminar. Okay, if you don't know how to explain to them, let me assist you, let me educate them, because that is my role, is to basically assist and help you guys. All right, thank you so much. You have a good evening, and bye bye. I'll see you guys again next week. Okay, bye.